How to create an Instagram account. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to create or sign up for an Instagram account. For that, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your device. Now, open the Instagram application on your device. Upon launching, you will be greeted with the initial interface. At the bottom of the screen, you will find Create New Account option. Tap on it to begin the account creation process. Enter your full name here and click on Next. This will be the name associated with your Instagram account. Create a strong and unique password with a minimum of 6 characters, including special characters and numbers. This ensures the security of your account. After setting the password, click Next. Here you have the option to save your login information for convenience. If you choose Save, you won't need to enter your password every time you log in. Alternatively, select Not Now to enter the password manually each time. Here you have to scroll up and down to set your birthday. After entering a birthday, click on Set and then click on Next. Then create a username here and click on Next. Enter your mobile number here to receive a verification code. If you prefer signing up with an email, choose the Set Up with Email option and enter your email address. Now click on Next. Here, select one of the options to get your verification code. Then click on Send Code. Once you get the code, enter it here and click on that Next button. Click I agree to accept the Instagram terms and conditions. Wait a moment as your account is set up. You can add your picture if you want by clicking on Add Picture. If not, click on Skip to proceed. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Instagram account. Customize your profile by adding a profile picture and personal details. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.